Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Thanks for joining me here today, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Annihilape. So Annihilape is one of the new Pokemon, and I think he's pretty cool looking. So to start drawing him, let's do the nose. So it's an oval shape, and we've got two lines, two little ovals really, in that nose, just like a little pig nose. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on kind of like the hair. So we can do a line coming up kind of close to the nose there, and then a little bit next to that we're going to come up with another line, and it's going to be curved. And then we're going to bring this line out this way and come on over like that. Also, I apologize if you can hear some snoring. My dogs are in a chair next to me, and they're snoozing away. So you might hear them dreaming. Alright, so bring this line down and have like a little point. And then come on up. So we're going to do two other pieces like that. There's one and another one. And I'm going to do some little lines like that and kind of separate these two parts. So it's just kind of going to be separating where one color is from the other. Now we're going to do this same kind of thing, but on this side. So a little line, and we're going to slant down this way, and point here, and another one, and we would have another one, but it's kind of there in the back. And then bring this on up, and a line here. And do these little lines separating what's going to be one color from the other. Now we're going to do some eyes. So I'm going to do a line kind of slanting downward to the nose, and then another one that's kind of slanting upward, but it's going to be kind of hidden here by this chunk that we drew. And let's do a rounded spot here. And now we're going to do a few little lines coming upward. And right here, we can do a shape like that. And then one right there, one like that, and one like that. So this kind of mark here just kind of helps to show that Annihilape is an angry Pokemon. So we can have another one right here, just kind of hidden under the chunks of like hair. And underneath this eye, we're gonna have a big, kind of like a U shape. So these are just gonna be kind of like the bags under his eyes, like he's almost like he's pretty tired, but maybe overtired. Maybe he's angry because he's so overtired. All right, so now a line like this. And we're gonna have some like chunky bits of fur. Okay, so we're gonna work on like a band around the ankle here. Big, thick band. And then we'll have a foot with two toes and a heel. And we'll do another little chunk of fur right there. And now right here, let's bring down another line and another one, and do another band around the foot, or sorry, around the ankle. And then we've got two toes. And let's do a few more little spiky bits of fur here. And up here, we'll do a few right here. And then up here, let's see, let's do some great big spiky bits. It's gonna be kind of like flowy. So I'm gonna do a couple more over on this side. And we're gonna have a few bits just kind of flowing, like one right there, one there, maybe one here. And yours don't have to look exactly like what I did, but see these kind of lines we made here? I'm going to do them around here too. It's also going to be for the same reason, just to separate one color from the other when I eventually start coloring. Alright, so let's do an arm over here. Draw a line, and then I'm curving downward, and then we're going to have like a hand. So we'll do like a thumb right here, and then we've got the rest of the hand, and then bring this line back to the body. Now over here, we'll do another one, but this one's going to have a band on it, like the same kind of band we did down here at the feet, but this band is going to be like kind of broken. It's going to have a crack in it. Little line, and then come on down this way and do the same thing again. And we're starting on the band now. You can see I'm doing like a cracked line. And then on the other side, so we got the band done. Now let's do thumb and rest of the hand. Alrighty, so we've got our drawing all sketched out, and now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, so we're finished our drawing. Thank you so very much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here for the next daily doodle. All right, everyone, have a good day. Goodbye.